So here we have 3 tomatoes. Hey, what are tomatoes? I mean, the things that my daddy made. What are tomatoes? They're basically planes. Monoplanes.
Attack the kitchen. So now that sanity has resumed, we have 3 completed Oilum Tornado IDSs, ground attack version, GR1s. Some have Saudi upgrades, and these are finished in the new Saudi style camouflage scheme. We'll start with this one. This is the Force Multiplier. Force Multiplier because it has the refueling pod. I've done this in a wheels down configuration. This is the Revell kit. Very nice model. We then have the Strike pair. We've got a Tornado GR1 with the Storm Shadows. So that's going to be attacking the Marmatians. And then we've got the IDS with a GBU 24. This has got the Damocles targeting pod. Just got a tiny bit of detailing to do on these models, but these are the attack pair ready to go. 2 alarm missiles, again Saudi style. The Revell kits are absolutely brilliant. I would say they're not for an inexperienced modeler. They are quite detailed, but they go together well, and I'm very pleased.